कर्नाटक में 10 रोजा बजट इजलास के दूसरे दिन भी जमकर हंगामा हुआ। रियासत बजट पेश होने से महज एक दिन पहले ही अक्सरियत की कमी को मुद्दा बनाकर बीजेपी अरकान ने जमकर हंगामा किया। ऐवान में शोर शराबे की वजह से स्पीकर ने ऐवान की कार्रवाई कल तक के लिए मुलतवी कर दी है और इस दौरान बीजेपी अरकान ने कहा कि रियासती हुकूमत के पास अक्सरियत ही नहीं है, जबकि वे तहरीक अदम एतमाद की तजवीज के सवाल पर खामोश नजर आए। इस दौरान कांग्रेस और जेडीएस अरकान मुत्तहिद नजर आए और उनका यह कहना है कि रियासती असेंबली के तारीख में ऐसा पहली बार हो रहा है। उन्होंने बीजेपी के कुमारस्वामी हुकूमत के खिलाफ अदम तहरीक लाने का भी चैलेंज किया है। वाज़ेह है कि पहले दिन भी अपोजिशन की मुखालिफत के बीच रियासती गवर्नर ने किसी तरीके से अपना खुतबा पढ़ा था।
Because they don't have majority and last 8 months there is no development activities at all. That is why yesterday we have boycotted President Governor address. Today also we are protesting because when they don't have majority, they don't have any moral right to discuss about the governor's address.
So will you move the no confidence motion today, sir?
That's why we are protesting today also. And democratic system, our speaker knows everything, what is happening in Lok Sabha. So unnecessary comments against the opposition party wherein we are 104 MLAs, we are responsible for the opposition party. So, Speaker, if you go on criticizing our decisions, and I don't think that is correct in the speakers speak like that. Now we are going to continue our protest. And tomorrow, what should be our stand, we will discuss and we will take fight.
If they feel that it is a minority government, if they have sufficient strength to defeat this government to assembly, I mean, let them move the no confidence motion against the government. What preventing them to move the no confidence motion?
Sir, but why aren't your MLAs here, sir, even after the...
No, that is a different thing. Whether MLAs all, see, at any point of time, all MLAs attended the house. Huh? Some, they are having some work, they are personal work, some may not come. See, tomorrow, I have called a legislature meeting. I have issued the whip. What is the inference he could draw? That means to say they have gone there with money, bags.
Even you also said that 50 crore rupees are offering.
They are offering. There are evidences to show that they are offering 30 crores, 40 crores, 50 crores like that.
So that will even be presented tomorrow, sir, because BJP...
100% budget will be presented tomorrow by 12:30.
12:32.
By 12:32. Okay, whether it is 12:30, there is no scope for any doubt.
Sir, but BJP again saying it's a minority government and we will not...
No.